Fried cube steak is one of my husband's favorite meals, but I don't love having to find some way to dispose of all this oil after I make it. So watch this. Let me hook y'all up. You can get this at Walmart. It's called FryAway. This one is for pan frying. This one is for deep frying. And this one is for super fry. So we're gonna do 1 scoop per cup of oil that we put in here. So I did 4 cups. So I'm gonna do 1. So I got my whisk and I'm just gonna stir this around. We're gonna let this cool. All right, here it is this morning. It is completely solid. And we're going to put it into the trash can.